So hello everyone, I hope you all are good and welcome back to my YouTube videos. Today I am back with a new project which is a ceiling fan. So today we are going to see how to make a ceiling fan using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So friends, let's go. So first of all, we are going to create a folder. So let's go. So right click the mouse and create a new folder. And here we are writing the project name, that is ceiling fan dot html, sorry, only folder name, friends. And now in this folder we are going to create a file name which is index.html. Now in this file we are going to implement a boilerplate first. So let's go, and here we are implementing this, and let's move to the title bar, and here we rename this to ceiling fan and come to the body part. So here we are starting the project. So let's move, and first of all we are going to live server, start the live server, friends. So start the live server too, and here we are starting the live server. So now let's back to the VS Code, and now starting the code. So first of all we create a div tag. So let's write this div tag, and in this div tag we are creating a class name. So just write it. So क्लास नेम में हम लोग देंगे फैन, और इसके बाद हम लोग come to the inside to div, and let's create one div and here we are going to also create a class name, that is rotor, which rotate the whole of the fan, friends. So let's come between it, and here create some div and some bladed, and so let's move. And first of all we also start a preview. So let's start. So here we are starting the preview, and let's code it. So first of all we hide it. Now it's, and now it's okay. Now let's code it to create some div here, and inside div we create a class name. So just write it class, and here we are writing a class. So okay, here name of the class, that is circle. Now in this div we are going to just copy it. So let's duplicate it some part, and we are going to change the name of the class. So let's go and just write it here, connector, and all of them we are writing a connector, and inside it also. And now we are going to create a id also. So let's create a id in three of them. So just multi-cursor. So now we are adding a id, and inside the id we are going to name the id, that is blade, and blade may we are writing a number wise blade, and just change the name of the blade. So let's change the number, and here we are writing 2, and here we are writing 3. Okay, now we are just creating our wings also. So let's duplicate it, and inside the class we are writing wings, name of the class and give a ID, that is blade 4. And now let's come inside it, and here we are also write a div, and inside div we create a class name also. So let's do that. Class name, and this name we are writing rectangle, and after that we duplicate all of these 3 times, and now duplicate it 3 times, and now we just change the name of the blade. So let's do that. Here we are writing 5. Now here we are 6. Now it's all done. So let's come to the next. So come here and just write a div also. And here inside the div, we are just writing all of the buttons that control the fans. So first we are writing a class name, that is controls, and just inside it we are writing some buttons. So let's write it. So button, and inside button we are writing a on click function. So on click, and on click we are writing a on function. So let's do that, and inside button we are writing on, and this button is created. So let's duplicate it 8 times. So it's done, and now let's rechange it faster. So do that. So this is off button, and here, okay, off button. Now next, here we are writing speed 1. So writing speed 1, and now here writing speed 2. Now here writing speed 3, speed 4, speed 5, and last speed 6. Now just change the name of this. So just on the multi-cursor, and now change this. So speed on smell 1 लिख देते हैं, and now one by one let's change it. So do that, just change it each and every one. So 3, 4, 5, last 6, and here we are just remove it. So now it's okay, and just we are creating the buttons. So let's come to the CSS part. So let's move. So just create a file. So let's come, and inside the fillings and folder, just create a file, and here we are, name of the file is style.css. Just create it, and first of all we have to link it. So here we are just link CSS, and it just linked it. So now come to the CSS part, and here we are just writing the code. So start first of all. So just implementing the universal tag, and inside we are just giving a margin, that is 0. So now we are just implementing a padding. So padding, and inside padding we are giving the value 0, and just after we are implementing box sizing, and box sizing we are giving border minus box. And now come outside of it and just selecting the body tag. And now inside body tag we are just giving the first width, and width is 100%. And now after that we are giving the height, and inside the height we are giving 100 vh. And after that we are giving a background color. Okay. And inside we are giving aqua color, and after that we give a display property that is flex. And after that justify content center. Okay, center. And after that align text, align item, or inside it also a center. Now after that come to the next. So let's do the next, and just selecting the fan class. So let's select it, and inside the fan we give the first width. So width is equal to 50%. And now after that we are giving a height. So let's do that. And height is equal to then 75%. And now after that we are adding a display property that is flex. And after that we are giving a background color also. So let's do that, and inside it we put it transparent. Now after that we are just also justify content center, and after that we are align item. So doing align item center, and after that come outside it and select to the next. So select to the rotor class. So right rotor, and now select it, and inside it we are just first of all making position relative, and after that we give width, and inside width we are giving 100 pixel, and after that we are adding a height also. So height 100 pixel too, and after that we are giving also a background color. So let's do, and we are here giving a RGB color. So inside the RGB we are giving 150 to the red, and blue is giving a 40, and now green is giving to 40 also. So let's move to the next, and giving a border radius that is 50%. So let's write it 50%, and after that we are implementing the animation. So let's write animation. So animation duration देंगे first. So let's write animation duration, and we are giving 1 second. So now move to the next. So okay, and animation उसके बाद iteration count हम लोग लगाएंगे. So come to the iteration count, and here we are giving the infinity the thing infinity, and उसके बाद next animation or इसमें time function. In this we are writing linear, and after that come to the next, and we are just adding keyframe. So keyframe is equal to okay keyframe. Now write name of this. So we are giving sp. Okay, I am not giving the here name. So let's give the name also. So animation name, and here we are doing sp. Okay, after that come to the next. So inside it we are just select, and inside it we are giving to the 100% totally, and inside the 100% we are transform, and inside transform we are just rotate property, rotate value. So we are just rotate, and we are rotating it 360 degree. So just write it 60 degree. Now come back. So after it, we are selecting to the circle class. So let's do that and just select it and just get width to. So width means we are giving 80 pixels. So let's go and after that come to the height. So height we are also giving 80 pixel. So 80 pixel. After that we are giving a border also. So let's do that. So border and inside border we are giving a 1 pixel solid solid and black. So black and come to the next. Okay. Okay. Next and we are going giving a position to. So inside the position uh, we are giving it absolute. So now after it we are giving a top value. So giving a top value to 10 pixel and after that we are giving a left value. So inside left we are giving a 10 pixel also. Then come to the next selecting the wings class. So let's select it. So wings and just select it and inside wings we are first giving a position. So position should be absolute and now we are giving our width too. So width and inside width we are giving a 200 pixel and now giving a height too. So height inside we are giving a 50 pixel. Now after giving a background color. So background color should be RGB value. So inside red we are giving a 150 and inside the blue we are giving a 40 and now inside the green we are giving a 42 and then come to the next and first of all we are seeing that here. So let's just close this. Now just close this rotation. So first of all we like to comment it. So now okay and then we come to the next. So next is giving a border radius. So write it here. So border radius inside border radius we are giving a 20 pixel then 10 pixel then 10 pixel to then 20 pixel also. Okay 20 pixel. Now come to the next and now we are selecting the connector class. So just we are writing connector and just inside the connector we are giving a width. So width should be 50%. So now we are giving a height to. So height will be 20 pixel. So next we are giving a background color. So background color should be also a RGB value and inside RGB value we are giving like that. And now again selecting the next. So selecting the blade which gives ID name. So like right blade and blade one first of all. So select it and giving a position to. So position should be absolute. So now transformation property. So transformation and inside transformation we give a rotate value. Rotate value 120 degree and now after that we are giving a right value. So right value should be uh, minus 11 pixel and after that top value the top value would be minus 20 pixel and now after selecting the next blade so select the next blade which is blade 2 and now select it and we are just selecting it and give a transform value. So give a transform and value should be rotate, and inside it we are giving a 0 degree. So 0 degree, and after that we are giving a position. Position should be absolute. And after that left value, and left value should be minus 45 pixel. So let's come to the top value. Top value should be 40 pixel. Now come to the next blade. So blade number 3, and just select blade number 3, and after that we are just selecting. So just inside blade number 3, just transform property. So transform property में हम rotate inside rotate we give 240 degree. And after that going to the next. Okay, we're just giving a close. Now come to the next, and after transformation we are giving a position to. So position should be absolute as usual, and now we are giving a value to the right. So right, and inside right we are giving a minus 10 pixel. After that giving a top value will be 98 pixel. And now come to the next blade, that is blade number 4. So blade 4, and just select it, and inside it we are giving a position that is absolute. So position should be absolute, and after that giving a transform value. So transform value should be rotate, and rotation will be 120 degree. So 120 degree. Now come. After that we are giving a right value, and inside right value we are giving a minus 130 degree per pixel, and after that we are giving a top value that is minus 110 pixel, and after that we are selecting blade number 5. So writing a blade 5 and select it, and inside blade 5 giving a transformation value should be rotate, and inside rotate we are giving a 0 degree. So after that we are coming to the position, and position should be absolute. Now giving a left value. So left value should be minus 206 pixel, and now come to the top value. The top value will be 25 pixel, and after that we are coming to the next blade. So blade number 6, blade 6, and just select it, and inside it we are giving a transform value. So transform value should be rotate, and rotation will be 240 degree. So let's write it, and after that we are giving a position. So a position should be absolute, and after that we are giving a right value. So right value should be minus 130 pixel, and after that giving a top value, and top value should be 160 pixel. And so now what happened to it? Position which has background color. Okay. Here we are doing the mistake. So just giving the RGB value. Now it's okay. It's coming. So let's move to next and come to the here, and just now after it selecting our next. So next is rectangle class. So just write it. So let's do that. Just select it, and inside it we are giving a first width. So giving a width value. So what that is 190 pixel. Then after that giving a height value. So height value should be 40 pixel. Now after that we are giving a border. So border will be 1 pixel solid and black. Now after that we are giving a border radius too. So come to the border radius and giving a 20 pixel and now 10 pixel and now 10 pixel, now 20 pixel. And now go to the next and giving a margin too. So margin giving a 5 pixel and auto from left right. Okay. Now come to the controls part. So after that we are selecting a control class. So controls, and inside controls we are giving a first position too. So position should be absolute, and after that we are giving a width. So width will be 180 pixel. Now giving a height. So height will be 180 pixel. So just after it, giving a background color too. So background color will be giving a white. So just writing a hexa value. Okay, now giving a margin. So margin, inside margin we are giving a 10 pixel. So after that we are giving a left value. So left value should be 0. Now giving the bottom value. So bottom should also be 0. Now come to the next and giving a padding to. So padding, inside padding we are giving a 10 pixel, and after that we are giving a display property. So display will be good. Okay, great. And now giving a grip template. So grip template column, and inside it we are giving a repeat, and repeat should be 2 comma 1 fr. So okay. Now come to the next, and next should be giving a box shadow. So box shadow, inside box shadow, first we set insert, and insert giving a 2 pixel, 5 pixel, and now after it giving a color. So the hexa value that is 86 and 8080. Okay. After that we are giving also insert next. So insert next we are giving a minus value. So minus 2 pixel. Now minus 2 pixel. Now 5 pixel. Then just after it we are giving the same color. So giving the same color. Now just come after it and selecting the buttons. So buttons, and we just select it and just give the dimensions. So width should be 80 pixel, and after that giving a padding. So padding will be 10 pixel and 5 pixel. After that make the cursor pointer, and after that come to the next, and inside the button just we have the first child. So just select the first child, and inside first child we are giving a background color. So background color should be RGB value giving. So inside RGB value we are giving 79 to the red and green to the 231. So 31, and blue should be 79 to. Okay. Now after that we are selecting on the border property. So border property giving 1 pixel solid, and color should be hexa value that is 6E, 6A and 5F, 5F. Okay, now come to the next child. So just selecting a button, and button, side button, we are selecting the nth child. So nth child and child number 2, and inside child number 2, we are selecting it first, and just it. We give a background color too. So background color, and this also be RGB value. So RGB value, that is 233 to the red, and green to the 60, and blue also be 60. Okay, now come to the next and giving a border. So border, and inside border we are giving 1 pixel solid, value should be same as usual. So next, now here we completed the CSS part. So here something is problem with this. So let's come to the circle part. So to the circle, and here we are not giving the okay border radius. So let's implement it border radius, giving the 50 pixel, sorry 50%. Now it's okay. All right, and after that we come to the JavaScript part. So let's go on. Then come to the next file. Just create a file, a new file, and here we are just write a script dot js, and now inside js first we have to link it. So come to the body part, and after body we are here writing script src, and inside src we are just writing a script dot js. All right, it's linked. Now come to the name. Just here we are first create a variable. So create a variable, that is speed, and inside speed we are just writing a document, and inside document we are just select a get element by class name. So class name, or inside it we are just writing a class name, that is router. Now just terminate this line, and next come and just create a function too for each button. So let's do that. So a function for next on button. So just write it. So do the function and just write on in the parenthesis, and after that we are curly braces, and inside that we are just writing a speed, and in speed we are just giving a 0 inside it, and after that we are just selecting the CSS parts, that is style, and after that inside style we are just selecting the animation name. So just write animation name, and inside animation name we are giving the value, that is spin. So write it spin here. Now terminate this line, and after that we are just close the function and just creating multiple functions. So first of all we have to select this and just duplicate it to the multiple times. So we have the 6, 7, 8 buttons. So just create a head. Now it's created. So let's change every value. So here comes the off button. So inside off button we need to change the uh, animation name. So inside animation name, we are just remove the name of this, and after we are selecting the speed one. So just write speed one, and for the speed one, we are changing the duration. We are just copy this and, change inside everyone. So now change the value of this. So giving first, that is 1 second. Now next, here we are giving the 0.8 second. Now after that, we are giving 0.6 second. Now here we are giving a 0.4 second. Now after that, we are giving a 0.2 second. Now after that, just create one more person. One, two. Okay, we are creating a two multiple person. So just remove it, and we are creating a button. Then duplicate it one more, and here we are giving a 1 second, 0.1 second, and now change the speed name. So let's do that. We are writing speed 2. Now we are writing speed 3. Now we are writing speed 4. Now here we are writing speed 5. Now speed 6. Okay, now our job should be completed, and so complete the CSS part, and inside here we are giving the animation name, so just remove it. So okay, now we just complete it. Let's check the come to the here, and just we have to check it first of all on the fan. Okay, fan should be working. Now check. Okay, our button will be working too. Then check the speed to speed. Okay, first of all on the button, and speed 1. Okay, 2 and 3. Okay, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, then it should be working great. So friends, if you like my video, so do subscribe my channel and like my videos and share with your friends too. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell. ओके व्यूअर्स, आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही। मिलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन कीप लर्निंग, कीप ग्रोइंग एंड कीप एक्सप्लोरिंग, बिकॉज व्हेन यू एक्सप्लोर समथिंग न्यू you gain better knowledge that you learn. So keep exploring too, and don't forget to like, share, comment on my videos, and also subscribe my channels and turn on notification bell to get my videos updates, because it gives me motivation to make my videos more interesting. Thank you.